Hello guys, so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be explaining what the crypto balance actually means and what it entails and what it is used in the cex.io airdrop power tap game on Telegram. I'm explaining for you what the crypto balance is. As you can see, actually now you see my crypto balance is actually I just earn 4 per hour. So quickly now let me explain what this crypto balance is for cex.io trading app. Now once you come to your own airdrop to your Telegram, once you open it, the first interface you are going to be seeing is just as this. You'll be seeing the same thing as mine. Then on your main screen you'll be seeing crypto balance, you'll be seeing the sec power, and you'll be seeing the mining per hour. Now basically your crypto balance is generated from your what mining per hour, and the use of your crypto balance is for you to get sec power. Quickly now let me explain myself again. If you have been playing the game, you will understand that through this your mining per hour, whatsoever you earn per hour, once you receive it, it will be added to your crypto balance. Then the next thing for you to do, now if you look at my screen, you will see my crypto balance is just 18.37 and it is still reading and adding more because it is being generated from my mining per hour. The next thing for you to do is to go to convert. Now as I tap my screen now, I'm going to convert already now. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel right now. So now the next thing for you to do is to come here to this place where you see convert. Now you'll be converting the crypto balance to earn sec power points, because the crypto balance, it is of no use. The use it is for you to get this sec power that want to do this conversion. And for most of you that do not even understand what this conversion is, this current rate you are seeing is that your crypto balance is being measured at the same price that Bitcoin is. So whatever price that Bitcoin is, that's the same price your crypto balance is. So you are just going to be assuming that your crypto balance is Bitcoin, but that is not what you are going to be allocated with. What you'll be allocated with is the sec power. Now if you have connected your this mining app on Telegram to the trading app, you will observe that, let me just go back. Let me go back to this home. If you have actually connected this the tapping bot here in Telegram to their trading app, you will observe that what you are seeing there on the trading app, which is written coming soon, is this sec power which is on my screen. You understand? So now I'm going back to convert. Remember I said the essence of this crypto balance is for you to generate sec power. Now let's go back. Now you see for come here, now you see what I have here. Now currently I just have 10.2 million, right? So I just want to convert now. Let's say I want to just convert. So what you are going to be doing is that before this airdrop is being listed, before they get to list, ensure that you are selling your crypto balance once the price of Bitcoin is always high. That is when you'll be having more sec token. Like for me now, before I sell them bit by bit, depending on the price of Bitcoin, because my crypto balance is the same price with Bitcoin. Then the essence of the crypto balance is for me to generate more sec power, which is our power points that will be allocated an airdrop for. So don't say you are keeping this crypto balance, it is of no use. Are you guys with me? So it is of no use. So now let's say I just want to sell just 10. So if I tap on 10, see what 10 is going to be giving me. Can you guys see now? So 10 will just, if I'm converting it, 10 will be giving me this. So if I just tap on convert, that is it right here. So if I tap on convert, this is it right here. And if I go and check, you see the price as I'm about to sell it, it will be recalculated in the next 1 minute. So this is it. If I now tap on confirm, that is it. Then I go to my main bot here. You see now it has been added here, right? So the crypto balance is generated from the mining power with the goal for you to use it to what increase this this sec power point here. Now the next thing for you to do, if you have now used this sec power point, right? If you have now used this crypto balance to increase your sec power point, the next thing for you to do is to upgrade cards. Now once you upgrade card, this your sec power point will increase. Let me do example so you see, guys. As you can see now, I'm just having 1.5 million power bar, right, which will be showing on my trading app on cex.io. So now you see, let me just upgrade a card. Now you will see how this my mining power will increase. Now quickly, let me, and if you don't know the exact cards to buy so that you'll be able to increase your mining per hour, make sure you watch my playlist. I made a full video guide so that you can check the good cards that you can buy. Okay, they say if I want to upgrade this, it will cost me about 7.8 million to do that. This is quite expensive for me right now, so I'm just going to look for a card that is a bit cheaper for the sake of this tutorial video. So let me say I'm using this card now. Remember my sec power is what? It's about 1.5, right? So just go and check now. I just bought a card. You see, it immediately changed to what? 1.6. Do you understand? So again, let me explain this thing for you guys again so you understand. Your crypto balance is generated from your mining power, right? Then from this your crypto balance, you come to convert. You convert it to generate this sec power point, which is here. You convert it to get this sec number here that we're seeing here in the middle screen close to the tapping bot. Now once you now get this number, the next thing for you to do is to use it to upgrade card, because your aim is to have more sec power. If I go and check my if I go and check the trading app where this is reflecting now, you will see it has been added to 1.6. so what I'll be doing now, I'll be adding this, I'll be upgrading more cards. And you see, the beautiful thing here is that as I'm upgrading more cards, my mining per hour, the rate will be increasing. Are you guys clear now? So do not save this your crypto balance. It is of no use. You should be working towards using that crypto balance to influence your sec power, because it is from there you'll be allocated the airdrop form. Are you guys clear? So if you have any other question in the comment section, please make sure you ask me. I'll be glad to answer you and give you proper guidance. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram channel, which is in the comment section, which is in the description box, so you stay connected for so many payable airdrops and be notified on time. And you're going to see a video that is going to be displayed on the screen. That's a full tutorial guide on cex.io. So you go and watch it, guys, so you know how different strategies on how to mine and earn properly on the cex.io power tap airdrop and every other thing you need to know. So guys, please make sure you drop me a thank you in the comment section, indicate where you're watching from, drop your country flag, ask yourself a question there. I'll be glad to answer you and guide you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe once more.